needs it. Like ubaba udokotela, I am one of the employers. Nami ngiyaqasha. I've got people abafika bena ngihlale nabo phansi nephani ngihlale nabo sim interview umuntu why you should be consider you ukuthi useze ubaba udokotela. What are you bringing ubaba udokotela? Ngizosizakala ngani mina ukuthi ngisimqashe wena? Wena ngizokunika imali mina, what am I getting from you? What are you bringing kwi company? Akikubuza mina ukuthi usukile yini. That I don't need. That I don't need. I don't know any company that needs that. I just don't know any company that ozothi umufika ufake kwi-CV ukuthi ay circumcised ngaye entabeni ndeluka. Ayiveli leyo nto, ayikho icompany edinga leyo nto. Akungabi into esizothi mesiyenza sibe pride ngayo. Uyabona? Mhlazana sibe pride ukuthi izingane zethu zinikwe izitifiketi zokwakha ama-packs okuneka kulayini. Not even one technical school has ever produced a child who can make e-packs lokuneka kulayini. No. But sinabantu namhlanje abakhipha izitifiketi zokuthi izingane zabo zinemomozi ezincane. Isitifiketi semomozi asenzi lutho. Virginity certificate, we don't need it. Nobody needs it. You can never be putting that on your CV that I'm also a virgin. Because no one, inkampani ayisizakala lutho ngawe. And ayibasizi le nto lena. No one osizakalayo ngayo. Awukwazi ukuthi uemphasize ukuthi mina ndasoka athi mina nginesitifiketi sokuba yivat. We don't need that. We don't need that. Computer science, we need those diplomas. Produce that. At your age, 21 years, angisidingi certificate of virginity. Microsoft Computer Science Engineering. How's that? How don't you produce that? How's that? It need to be beautiful, it need to be marvelous to produce that. Not a certificate of virginity. Certificate of momozi. Who likes it? Who want to see at your pubic area? Let me see whether you're virgin or not. No one wants it. Izinto ngempela, we as Africans, ezisibuyisela back to 200 years ago. Because that outdates us by 300 years. Ukuthi now ku-21st century sisenengane na 23 years. Engaphume ePretoria Technical College. Engana diploma endawo. Kodwa nini certificate of virginity ukuthi yona iyintombi. How is that? It doesn't sound good. It just doesn't sound good. At your age of 26 years, with a certificate of virginity, it does not work. We don't want that. We really don't want that. Lento